Hi Stampers, so this is not going to be the most professional video. My paper's dirty and it's finally raining here, so it's kind of dark, but I hope you can see things have been really busy. Ian's been out of school sick with pink eye. He went one day and now they have a 5-day weekend, so I'm just trying to get this done. But I had some alternate projects posted on the Paper Pumpkin Live the other day, and I used one of these gorgeous envelopes to basically make a tiny little gift bag, and I had a lot of questions on how I did that, so I thought I'd show you. So I have these old, very vanilla envelopes. I thought I would use one just because you'll be able to see it better, I think. But you just take a regular envelope, and so you're going to seal that shut. And I will try to post a still picture of this too. So what you're going to do is just with your paper cutter, slice off just the tiniest, like 1 millimeter, just enough to open your envelope. Again, you've sealed it shut. And then you're going to put it in your, I don't even remember what we call it, the thing that you score, your scoring board. And you're going to score the remaining sides at 1/2 inch. And you can Google this too. Like, I just Googled how to make a gift bag from an envelope. So then, after you've scored it, and you want to score it pretty good, you are going to kind of open it. And I forgot to mention, sometimes it's helpful to seal this portion of the flap down too. So I have some tear and tape here, and I just looked over at my scoreboard and I don't know what I did with my stylus, so I'm kind of like trying to find it as I talk to you. So I'm gonna slip this under the flap. Again, professional video here, you know me. I'm just happy I'm in my stamp room. I haven't been in here much lately, so I'm just going to put that down like so, and I kind of rubbed my score line out. But you're going to open it, maybe. Open it up, and of course I'm doing a video when my manicure is finally like falling off. You're going to open it up, and these are going to become the sides of your bag, and you're going to see these triangles start to form as you open like this on the end. And of course this one is not cooperating. Like the original one did. But it's gonna make these little triangles. There we go. The bottom's starting to pop out. And you just keep working with it. Aha! So it looks kind of like this. It looks like there's a Pokemon. Can you tell I have a 8-year-old boy who's a Pokemon fan? That's a Pokemon. But you're going to make those triangles, and then you could probably adhere them that way, but I just folded them over. This is really loud, sorry. And I am going to just really cut a crease my folds of my bag real quick. I hope this is making sense. Creasing my folds. This envelope did not work as nicely as the Paper Pumpkin one. I think the paper is just a tad bit different, but it should essentially work with any envelope. I'm going to actually sit this down, grab my bone folder, and I am going to use my bone folder to press the bottom nicely, and then I'm going to crease. I'm doing this against my body, sorry, you probably can't see it, but to get just a nice kind of bottom crease. But basically you will fold these under, and I'm going to do that here. And again, it takes some finagling. So I'm going to get those under and then use my bone folder to kind of pop it out everywhere that it needs to be popped out. And trust the process when I say this will work much better with your paper pumpkin envelopes. And then for now, I'm just going to put some tear and tape on the little triangle. This isn't necessarily a little gift bag that's going to sit up real well because it's going to be a little bulky on the bottom. I did that too long, so I'm going to take this off and then fold that little bit over. And I guarantee you, if you're not doing this on film, this will work way better for you. Because things never work out on videos. So again, I'm going to fold these over and set it down and then use my bone folder to kind of pop it out and make sure that tape is nice and secure. And there's a fruit fly in here, sorry. I knew he was going to get under the lights here. So then you have a little bitty bag, and I could work on this a little bit more to get those wrinkles out. And then you can fold your middle crease in to make more of a bag. I don't know why this wasn't very even, but you get the idea. Again, and on a printed envelope, that's going to be a little more, you're not going to be able to see that as much. And so you could fold this over, probably fold it over that way with the flap, put a little piece of tape on it. Mine, I punched holes and tied ribbon to make little gift bag handles, but you could close it in a variety of different ways. You could put adhesive here and just close it like this. You could fold it. And again, I'd have to put some more adhesive down there. But your bone folder will be your best friend to get your corners kind of how you want them. I just didn't do that very well. But I hope this was helpful. It's pretty easy. Again, you can find tutorials online as well. But it's just cut, score, 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 and then fold it up. So I hope that helped.